Yeah? Mm. 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 Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. They want a new blend. New American blend. I have to stop reading now. How do you make a new blend? I guess, in a way, it's pretty much like cooking. Ta-da! Oh, 1 second. Okay. Now, when you make a blend, you need to consider, what do you want to do? Said they want an American blend, so I know I need Virginia tobacco, burley, and a bit of Oriental. So we look at all our different tobaccos here. Like a good cook knows his carrots, his tomatoes. I need to know all my tobacco. The quickest way to do that, I imagine what my blend could contain. And that's where it becomes slightly unromantic, because every blend starts first in the head, but then in an Excel spreadsheet, where I list all the components, nicotine content, sugar content, also the price, and I think about what, in my mind, would constitute a good blend. And every single component that I think could be in that blend, I'll smoke. Very easy. It carries, it fills the cigarette, which is fine. Bit cheaper. Okay. This could be in my blend. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Jesus Christ, what is that? It tastes like horse's ass. This one, I have decided not to use it in my blend. Okay? Discard it. I need another one. Which tobacco I'm going to use? I'm looking for a certain taste. I want maybe a darker Virginia taste, mahogany reddish, some slight woody notes, so I can brew up the proper blend for my brief. We test the other components. We look at our burley block. Again, a lot of testing going on. Easy, smooth, not too strong. Bit of a tickle here, but if I put only 5% on the blend, I think I get away with it. Interesting. Good. I might use that. And then I continue ingredient per ingredient until I've built the blend I imagine will be super duper. And here's something I have prepared earlier. The blend I think is going to be awesome. I'm going to make a test cigarette of this. No. What happens now? Next step, more tobaccos, more testing, until I think I have something there. Make another cigarette, smoke it, decide it's better than the last one, but it's a bit only okay, and our standards are much higher. So we continue the process until we are happy. Oh yeah, baby. This is it. What you want from a blend, you want it to be round. You don't want extra layers of different tobacco type flavors parallel to each other. You want them to come together in a loving embrace. I think I really nailed this, baby. We'll be so happy. One second. Yeah? Yeah. Cancelled. The project is cancelled. Okay,